Hello students, welcome to Mobile Application Development Laboratory. So here in this part A, there will be program 1, which is create an application to design a visiting card. The visiting card should have a company logo at the top right corner here, and the company name should display it in capital letters and align to the center. This is the company name we should design, and information like name of the employee, job title, phone numbers, address, email, fax, website address is to be displayed, and as well as insert urgent line between job title and the phone number. Okay, before going into the actual program, so let us open the Android Studio, which is installed in your system. So wait for to load the activity main and main activity. So first you create one new project file, new project. So here in this you select empty activity. So here you can give logo as your name of the file and finish it. So wait for the system to browse. So here in this there is a main activity is written in a .java language, and activity main.xml will be loading. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, so this is the blank dialog box. So here what is the first thing you have to enter, that is a company name as a button. So here main activity text view, just drag it and put it here. Okay, so set the constraint for this one, right side, down, and upper side and the left side, so that you can move this text box anywhere in your dialog box. So here you can rename it by just clicking the attributes. So here in this attributes, just rename it as SVIT, so with the Institute of Technology, and text alignment should be in the center, so you can maximize also. Okay, so after inserting a SVIT into a text view, then comes to the logo, college logo you can enter. So before adding college logo, so it should be in a JPEG and JPG format, which is stored here in the desktop. So just copy this image. It is in a JPG. Okay, copy this image, and so in the app, that is manifest as well as Java. So in that, in the down, there will be res folder is called res. So in that res, there is a drawable folder. In drawable folder, just right click it and paste the image. So here the image will be appearing. So how to add an image into the this window? So here go for widgets and image view. So drag the image here. So you will get all the images that you have added to the drawable folder. So select SVIT and click OK. So you can minimize it as you are, and also you set the constraint for all the corners. Okay, so that you can move anywhere from here. So after this, next thing is add a line, horizontal line between these two. How to add a horizontal line? Again, widgets, view, drag the view here. So it is above your previous existing. How to minimize this? How to minimize the size of this view is? So go to code. Here go to the code. So in the view, height, just add, just remove it as remove the wrap content and add it to 6 dp. Save it, then go for design. So it appears like this. Again, if you want to change the background, again go for background code here. After this, add Android background. You can do which color if you want, any color, red color. Save it, then again go for a design. So here it will appear like this. So the line will be added between these two. Again, you have to set the constraint for this. Okay. So what is the next thing you have to add? Company name, logo is over, name, job title, and a phone number. Name, job title, and a phone number. Again, same thing. Again, go for text view, add text, and draw the text into this dialog box. Otherwise, you can copy this one also, copy it and paste it again. So drag it. Already constraint are set for this one. So you can change the name. What is that name? I will write it as ABC is the name and make it center. So again, what is the next thing? What to add? Job title ABC, Control C, Control V. So just okay. So here also, what is the job title? Professor. We will write. So enter it. So we'll get the professor. Same thing again. After this one, after the job title. So what is this? Insert a horizontal line between the job title and a phone number. So go for this one. Just take this one. Control C and Control V, copy it. So you will get a job date is auto constraints are automatically set. What is the next thing you have to add? Phone number, address, and an email address. Phone number, address, and an email. So copy this one, paste here, add a phone number, okay, phone number as well as address. Add address, I will write Rajana Kunte, so it will come. Again, copy it, paste it, email address abc@svit.com. So if you want to increase the layout width, you can increase here. Layout height also you can increase. Okay, if you want to increase the width as well as height, rotations also you can increase. Text appearance like this, or you can change it to any text appearance. Size of a text type, uniform, none, you can also write. Background also you can change. So there are number of attributes here, so you can change by using these attributes tab. So once the design is done, next thing is to execute the code. So for that you go for here in this above app and pixel 3a, that is a external mobile you want to add, or you can run from this too. Click on this, go for device manager. So here you select pixel 3 API. If any previous data, duplicate data is there, so just wipe it. Okay, so after wiping, just go for here and run the app. So it is connecting to the emulator. So wait for few seconds. So it is again connecting to the emulator. If you want, you can connect your mobile also. That is also possibilities there. And here you select the device of your mobile. So here your emulator is appears like in your mobile phone. It will show the your output, whatever your design here. You can maximize it also. Wait for few seconds until this stops. It is launching the app. So this is your output. So what is the output? The company logo, and job name, and job title, name and job title, and phone number or address, and your email ID. So this is the end of your first program, the logo as well as company.